How are you? I hope everyone doing well. In this lesson, we are going to explain out what is WH question and why we should learning about WH question in each language. And do you know how many WH question in English? If someone asks you, there are 6 WH question in English. Can you mention out? Let us mention together. Number 1, who, what, when, where, why, how. Could you repeat again? Who, what, where, when, why, how. We have to follow everyone by example to make very clear and to be easy for you if you haven't learned before. Who, for example, who is cook the dinner? Who is cook the dinner? We're searching for the person who is cook today in the home. If you've been at the home and there is one member of your family was cooking the dinner or the lunch, who is cook the dinner? What we asking about the actions. What did she cook? What did she cook? Since we get the person who is cook today, the dinner, what did she cook? She cooked what? She cooked chicken, fish, rice, whatever. What did she cook? When? We're asking about time. When did you start playing football? When did you learning English? I learning English in 1990. For example, I learning English in 2011. Very simple. We jump into where. Where always we're asking about the location. Where are you from? Where are you from? For example, you are in the meeting and that meeting may be holding in your country, and inside the meeting there is a foreigner people and you don't know them. You have to ask them and you will say, where are you from? Where are you from? Simply, I'm from Sudan, I'm from United States, I'm from China, whatever country could be. So, why? Why we're asking always for the reason, searching for the reason. Why did you learning English? Simply, if someone asks you, why did you learning Japanese? Why did you learning France? So, searching for reason. I learning English because the English first language in the world could be. How the crazy one. How long did you learning English? The period you learning English, how long? 2 years, 2 months, 2 weeks, 2 days? Never happened 2 days. So, and beside this, if you ask for every question or WH questions, don't forget to put question mark. This is very important one to put in the end of the question. What if I writing you ask by WH question in the end of writing, you have to put this one. The people realize that you ask, you searching for the answer. Already you ask it and you waiting for reply. In the end, I want to say thank you very much for being watching our videos or lessons. And please, if you're interested in this lesson, don't forget to subscribe my channel in YouTube. There is name Really Channel. You can charge in YouTube and subscribe to help us, to support us, and thank you very much. Be strong, be smiling. See you next video.